Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to take you through a short guided meditation practice that you can do wherever you are. You can sit on a mat and practice it, or wherever you are you can just sit comfortably and do this meditation practice. It's for the times when we have lots of thoughts going on and it's very difficult for us to manage the thoughts, manage the situation. There are a lot of time it happens, the situation is beyond our control and all we do is to just sit and get stressed. So you can take some time to sit and focus on your breath and use the self-help yoga tool to relax yourself and manage the situation more mindfully. So let's start. Sit in a comfortable position wherever you are. Sit straight and close your eyes. Now start to build connection with yourself. Connect with your body. Consciously relax your body. When we are stressed, our body also comes under a lot of stress. So let's make an effort to relax our body. Relaxing your toes, your ankles, relax your feet, your calf muscles, relax your knees, your knee joints, relax your thighs, relax your legs, relax your hips, your hip joints. Relax your lower body. Sit light. Relax your spine, your lower back. Relax your abdominal muscles. Relaxing your lower abdomen, your upper abdomen. Relax your heart rate. Relax your chest, your shoulders, drop it down and back. Breathe. Relax your arms, your hands, your fingers, your biceps. Relax your neck, your shoulders. Relax your face, your facial muscles. Soften your facial muscles, relaxing your chin, your jaw, your tongue. Relax your nose. Relax your eyes, your eye sockets. Make sure you don't have any frown lines on your forehead. Relax your forehead. Relax the crown of your head. And most important, relax your mind. Whatever thoughts you have in your mind right now, just let them settle in. Make an effort to keep them at the back of your mind. It's quite possible that you're distracted with lots of thoughts right now. So just allow them to settle in and focus on your breath. Let your breath be an anchor to keep you in present. So focus on your breath, find the natural pace of your breath and just breathe in and out through your nose at your own pace. It's quite possible that you might have thoughts, any task that's distracting you right now. Just gently keep them at the back of your mind and keep getting your mind back to your breath every time you feel you're distracted with any thought. Continue to breathe in and out through your nose. If your mind starts to wander around, you start to think of something else. Without any judgment, get your mind back to your breath. And then slowly, let's make our breath even. So breathing in and out equally. So I will count with you for a few seconds, and then I will let you do that at your own pace. So breathe in through your nose, 4, 3, 2, 1, and breathe out, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue like this. Breathe in, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just make your breath even. Breathe in, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can do that at your own pace, making your breath even. You can do it with counting or without counting. Just breathe in and out equally. Again, if you get your thoughts, your worries, your work, your tasks, just keep them at the back of your mind, getting your mind back to your breath, making your breath even. Slowly, let's start to make our breath deeper. So breathe in at the count of 6 and breathe out at the count of 8. Let's do this together first. Breathe in, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can do it at your own pace. You can count or you can do it without counting. Just make your breath slightly deeper. Breathe in and out. Now together, let's take 5 deep breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 2 more like this. Breathe in and breathe out. 1 more. Breathe in and breathe out. Take a pause. Observe how you feel now after this short breathing and awareness practice. Now gently put your hand on your abdomen. Keep sitting long. Breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. Breathing through your abdomen. Breathe out through your nose, take your belly in. Continue like this. Breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. Breathe out through your nose, take your stomach in. Breathe in, expand. Breathe out, stomach in. Breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. Breathe out through your nose, take your stomach in. 2 more times. Breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. Breathe out through your nose, take your stomach in. 1 more time. Breathe in, expand. Breathe out, contract. Release your hands, rest your hands back on your knees. Sit quietly for a few seconds. And just focus on your breath. If you get any thoughts, anything that's distracting you, just keep it at the back of your mind and keep getting your mind back to your breath. We end this practice with Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. It's a relaxing breathing practice. Take your right thumb, rest it on the right nostril. Breathe in through your left nostril. Close the left nostril with your pinky finger. Release your right thumb. Breathe out through your right. Continue like this. Breathe in through your right. Breathe out through your left. Breathe in through your left. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. Breathe out through your left. Breathe in through your left. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. Breathe out through your left. One more time. Breathe in through your left. Breathe out through your right. You can release your hands and let your eyes be closed. If you want, you can sit quietly for a few more seconds or more than that if you wish to, and keep meditating, focusing on your breath. I'll leave you here for your practice. I hope you will find some relaxation and peace with this guided meditation. Thank you so much. Namaste.